Looking for a way to add some natural glow to your skin? Honey masks are the answer. With their rich, hydrating properties, honey masks not only moisturize but also provide antioxidant and anti-inflammatory benefits. But with so many honey-infused products out there, choosing the right one can be a challenge. In today's video, we're going to review the top 5 best honey masks that will make your skincare routine easier and more effective. Stay tuned to find the perfect honey mask for your skin. Kicking off our list at number 1, Lush Mask of Magnaminty. The Lush Mask of Magnaminty is a popular mask from the eco-conscious skincare brand Lush. Known for its fresh, handmade, and natural products, Lush's Mask of Magnaminty is packed with honey and other soothing ingredients like peppermint and kaolin clay. The combination of honey with refreshing peppermint makes it an excellent mask for cooling and hydrating tired, stressed skin. This mask is not only a treat for your skin but also for your senses, offering a refreshing experience every time you apply it. Key features: the formula includes honey, which is the star ingredient, along with kaolin clay and peppermint oil. Honey is known for its humectant properties, drawing moisture into the skin, while the peppermint adds a cooling sensation. The kaolin clay helps to gently exfoliate, drawing out impurities without stripping the skin of its natural oils. The mask comes in Lush's signature handmade packaging, making it both a luxurious and environmentally friendly option. Benefits and usage: Lush's Mask of Magnaminty is ideal for those with combination or oily skin. It provides deep hydration and nourishment, while the peppermint gives an instant cooling effect, making it particularly soothing for inflamed or irritated skin. To use, simply apply a generous layer of the mask to your clean face. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse off with warm water. Use 1 to 2 times a week for best results. Usability: the mask has a thick consistency that's easy to apply and spread across the skin. It has a pleasant, refreshing peppermint scent that isn't overpowering. While it's suitable for most skin types, it's particularly beneficial for those with acne-prone or oily skin, thanks to its balancing properties. The mask comes in a pot that's easy to store and handle, and because it's made fresh, it's best used within a few months of purchase. Durability: the Mask of Magnaminty has a shelf life of around a few months due to its fresh ingredients. Once applied, the mask dries down into a firm layer, but it won't crack or flake, making it comfortable to wear during your skincare routine. The hydration it offers lasts a few hours after application, and consistent use can help improve skin clarity and tone. Taking our 4th spot is Manuka Doctor Mask. The Manuka Doctor Mask is a luxurious treatment that features Manuka honey, which is renowned for its potent antibacterial and healing properties. Originating from New Zealand, Manuka honey is a special type of honey known for its unique benefits, especially in skincare. This mask blends Manuka honey with natural plant extracts to create a deeply nourishing mask that helps to revitalize, hydrate, and calm the skin. Key features: this mask contains UMF-certified Manuka honey, known for its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. Along with honey, it features a blend of nourishing oils and extracts, such as argan oil and propolis, which further help to hydrate, restore, and protect the skin. The formula is free of parabens and sulfates, making it a gentle and safe option for all skin types. The mask comes in a sleek jar with a wide opening for easy access. Benefits and usage: the Manuka Doctor Mask is perfect for dry, sensitive, or acne-prone skin, thanks to its healing and hydrating properties. It works wonders on irritated skin, helping to reduce redness, inflammation, and acne scarring. To use, apply a generous layer to clean skin, leave on for 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse off with warm water. This mask provides an instant boost of moisture and leaves the skin feeling smoother and more balanced. Usability: the mask has a thick, creamy consistency that glides effortlessly over the skin. It's easy to apply, and the scent is subtle but refreshing. The product doesn't dry down completely, so it's comfortable to wear during a skincare routine or as an overnight treatment. It's suitable for use 1 to 2 times a week, and it's gentle enough for those with sensitive skin. Durability: Manuka Doctor's mask provides long-lasting hydration, and its antibacterial properties help to prevent future breakouts and irritation. The mask is packaged in a jar, which allows you to scoop out the exact amount needed for each use. With consistent use, you can see improvements in the texture and appearance of your skin, particularly in terms of moisture and overall balance. And finally, at number 5, we have the Body Shop Honey Mask. The Body Shop Honey Mask is another excellent option for dry or stressed skin, offering hydration and nourishment with the power of honey. Made with community fair trade honey from Ethiopia, this mask provides a luxurious skincare experience that helps to smooth and moisturize the skin. The Body Shop Honey Mask is formulated to give your skin a healthy glow, making it ideal for those with dull or tired-looking skin. Key features: the mask features honey, which acts as a natural humectant, drawing moisture into the skin and keeping it hydrated. It also contains vitamin E, which is known for its antioxidant properties, protecting the skin from environmental stressors. The mask has a rich, creamy texture that provides a soothing and comforting experience, and the product is cruelty-free and vegan, making it an ethical choice for conscious consumers. Benefits and usage: this honey mask is perfect for anyone looking to restore hydration and radiance to their skin. It helps to soften rough patches and leaves the skin looking refreshed and glowing. To use, apply a generous layer to the face and leave on for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse off with warm water and enjoy the soft, smooth results. You can use this mask 1 to 2 times a week to keep your skin looking its best. Usability: the thick, creamy consistency of the mask makes it easy to apply, and it feels soothing on the skin. The scent is sweet but not overpowering, making it a pleasant experience. This product works well for those with dry or combination skin, as it balances moisture and provides hydration without feeling greasy. Durability: the Body Shop Honey Mask lasts for several months when used consistently, and its effects are long-lasting, especially after repeated use. You'll notice a visible improvement in skin texture and hydration, making it a go-to option for regular skincare maintenance. Its natural ingredients also help ensure that your skin receives safe and nourishing care with every use. That wraps up our review of the best honey masks for your skincare routine. Each of these masks has its own unique benefits, so whether you're looking for deep hydration, soothing effects, or acne-fighting properties, there's a honey mask here for everyone. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to skincare, so make sure to incorporate one of these masks into your routine regularly. Let us know in the comments which one you're excited to try, or if you've used any of these before. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more skincare tips and reviews.